Hi Royal Gang, welcome back to my channel. This is the Queen of Georgetown. If this is your first time on this channel, I talk about beauty, motherhood, wifehood, entrepreneurship, life hacks, baby stuff, everything, right? Just life in general. So if there's anything that appeals to you in this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and share. And don't forget to comment down below, because if you talk to me, I talk back. Okay, so today's video is about a very well-known brand of makeup. So I love wearing lipstick when I dress up. Right now I'm just wearing a gloss. This is my base, but I'm gonna be trying on all of these colors on for you today. So this is a Black-owned company. I've been wearing their products since they've been out years ago. I love the quality of their products. I'm gonna be telling you my personal review as well as doing some swatches for you. So stay tuned. Alright, so the brand that I'm going to be talking about today is Colored Raine. Yes, you can tell by the pink tops. This is the brand here, Colored Raine, and I'm going to be trying on 6 different colors for you so you can see what they look like on my skin tone. I am a chocolate girl, and one thing I want to make sure that you guys know, no matter what skin color you are, don't ever let anybody tell you that you can't wear colors. I know people who wear neon colors, dark colors, bright colors, whatever makes you happy, you go ahead and you wear that, girl. Okay, now I'm gonna give you some tips though, so that you don't go out here looking crazy, because I don't see some people with some really bright colors that are on a darker side or even on the lighter side, and it looked a little, questionable. But don't worry, I'm gonna help you out with all of that, right? So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Right, this is the first color that I purchased when I heard about this company from an old friend of mine. Well, not so old friend, that's my girl. She's my ace, my homegirl, my friend. Shout out to Mishu if you're watching the video. Ooh, thank you for coming on. Right? So this color is called Marshmallow. So it's kind of like a nudish, but it has like a mauve color in it. And I'm going to show you the swatch right here. Marshmallow. You can actually wear this color with anything. I do it all the time. I'm gonna go ahead and try the next nude color that I purchased. This one is called Sugar. Hi, Sugar, Sugar. All right, now this one's on the light side. The light side of the nudes, right? Here's a swatch of Sugar right here. So it's pretty light. I'm gonna turn it away, turn the light away, so you can see what it looks like in the dark, without light on it. All right, so since we're talking about nude, this one's not fully nude. It's on the darker side, but if you're super dark skinned, this one would typically look nude on you. Like, I'm dark skinned, like I'm chocolate, but I'm not like Lupita chocolate. I ain't dark, you know, so chocolate though. So this would actually look really nice on a super dark skin. Whatever skin tone you are actually, but this one is called Bachelorette. You can see the colors are starting to come into themselves as they dry. Bachelorette is actually more like a brick, like a dark brown brick color. So it's so cute. So now we're gonna get into the colors. All right, so if you like to stay on the dark side, like with the Bachelorette, this one is a nice color too. It is called Rain Fever. All right, so this one actually goes on very dark. It's a dark eggplant purple. This is Rain Fever No Light, which is a more accurate of what it looks like. This one is called Electric Rain. It is as orange as orange will be orange. It's very orange on your lips, but it's so beautiful. It's like the perfect tint of orange. And it don't matter what skin color you are, this thing is gorgeous, baby. Look. Electric Raine, y'all. Last but not least, my very favorite lip. Now, when you walk in the room, everybody's like, oh, girl, what color is that you're wearing? And I'm like, girl, I'm wearing Cherry Blossom. It's like a romantic, deep, passionate red. I love this color. Cherry Blossom. You see how deep? See how deep that red is? How deep it is. Beautiful. We have Marshmallow. You see how it looks when it's actually dried. We also have Sugar, which is kind of similar, you know, it looks kind of the same. We have Bachelorette. We have Rain Fever. We have Electric Raine. And we have the Undefeated Cherry Blossom. We've done the swatches. I'm gonna go ahead and try these on so you can see what they look like on me. I'm gonna also add some liner on it so you can see how you're supposed to wear it. You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. You got to let it go. Guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions about these products, go ahead and leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to give you any tips. If there are any colors that you would like for me to try, I'll be happy to do that too. Or just overall lipstick tips. I have so many lipsticks, not just these, so hit me up, girl. Oh, one more thing before I go. These lipsticks are a little hard to take off because they dry on really matte, but the best way to take it off is with soap and water. I've been using makeup remover to take mine off to do this tutorial for you. And girl, I tell you, my lips are on fire. It's burning, but soap and water will take it off. So make sure you know which one you want to wear before you put it on, because when girl, taking it off, if you're not trying to take your whole makeup, your whole face off, you might be mad. But anyway, And as you can see, I have a little bit of a red tint. That's from my Cherry Blossom. Cherry Blossom does stain your lips, FYI. But anyways, thank you for watching, Royals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications. And talk to me, I'll talk back. Till next time, Royals. Peace.